Hello everyone, this is Malumuntao from BSED2B. For this video, I will show you how to solve the cofactor expansion. Cofactor expansion using the 4x4 matrix. So, I have here given a 1, 0, 5, 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 5. The first thing is to solve for the minors. So, given that Mij, so our I represent the rows and J for the column. So I will choose using row 1 by simply deleting the row 1 and column 1. Then proceed to the basket method. So our M11 equals row 1, column 1. So the remaining is 1, 4, 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1, 0, 1, 5. Simply copy the first and second column. Then proceed to for the basket method. So here, negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Here is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Minus negative 4 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Times negative 1 is negative 20. So simplify, this is negative 10 minus negative 2 is negative 12. Then 1 minus 20 is negative 19. So therefore negative 12 minus negative 19 is negative 31. Next is M12. Delete row 1, column 2. So the remaining is 0, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1. Repeat the process using basket method. So here, 0, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, 0, minus 2, negative 4 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 5 times 5, 25, times negative 1 is negative 25. Simplify, here is negative 2 minus negative 25. It will become positive. So negative 2 plus 25 is positive 23. M13, delete row 1, column 3. So the remaining is 0, 5, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0, 1, 5. 0, 5, 2, 1, 4, 2. So here, 20 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 10 times 0 is 0, minus 8 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 5 times 5 is 25. So here is 2 minus 25 equals negative 23. And then M14, delete row 1, column 4. So 0, 5, 2, 1, 4, 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1, then 0, 5, 2, 1, 4, 2 equals 4 times 0 is 0, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. Here, 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. 4 times 0, negative 4 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. So, negative 4 minus negative 10 is negative 14. Here is positive 8 plus 5 is 13. So, negative 14 plus 13 is negative 1. Negative 1. Now, we need to get the cofactors by using the formula Cij equals negative 1 raised to I plus j times Mij. So, given that C11 equals negative 1 raised to 1 plus 1 and our M11 earlier is negative 31. So, simplify, negative 1 squared is positive 1 times negative 31 is negative 31. And our C12 equals negative 1 raised to 1 plus 2. And our minor is for C12 is 23. So, negative 1 cube is negative 1 times 23 is negative 23. C13 equals negative 1 raised to 1 plus 3 times our minor is negative 23. Simplifies, negative 1 raised to 4 is positive 1 times negative 23 is still negative 23. For C14 equals negative 1, 1 plus 4 times our minor is negative 1. So, negative 1 raised to 5 is negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Next, solve for cofactor expansion using row 1. So, the determinant in A, we have here the given for our row 1 are, here is 1, 5, 3, 2. All of this and 3, we simply multiply from the given cofactor. So, determinant of A equals 1 times the cofactor is negative 31 plus 5 times, here is negative 23 plus 3 times negative 23 plus 2 times our cofactor 1. Then simplify. 1 times negative 31 is negative 31. 5 times negative 23 is negative 115. 3 times negative 23 is negative 69. Then 2 times 1 is 2. So, negative 31 minus 115 minus 69 plus 2 equals negative 213. So, this is our determinant of A.